How to add credit cards in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, you must go to this website named Workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on your profile. So here you can see a section of credit cards. Tap on credit cards and here tap on this plus icon. So this is the place where you can associate a new credit card. Here you must add all your credentials and later easily connect your credit card with Workana. Later you can verify this credit card and use it easily. Here all the balance will be credited according to your work and later there won't be problems too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.